Hey guys, let's hop right into it. So before I do my pedi while I'm in the shower, I use a foot scraper, a scrub, and I also put some conditioner on my feet. Trust me, it's gonna make your feet so soft. And then I use buffers. I like to use the buffers that are used for acrylic because they're rough and they just get the job done. And then some clippers to clip my toenails. And then I like to use this scraper to scrape off all the dead skin. So I didn't actually use any of these items like the scraper. I didn't use the scraper. I decided to use the pink one that I previously showed you guys. Okay guys, so I'm going in with my nail file and I'm just making a nice square shape. I love a square shape. If you guys want details on shaping and cutting, I also have another video that is more detailed. But this is like when you get out the shower and you just want to, do your nails, your toes real quick. Right now I'm just cleaning under my toes, making sure I'm getting all that gunk. Well, mainly like the dead skin and stuff like that. My toes ain't dirty, y'all. They ain't dirty. I would also suggest that you guys buff the top of the toenail to make it nice and soft. That's another tip. So I'm just putting a base coat on. And, so your toes don't turn yellow. So I always put my base coat. Well, I don't always put a base coat. I'm lying. But I put a base coat down. So you let your base coat dry. And then after, you're going to go in with your polish. This is the Orly polish. Girl, let me tell you, this is what's going to take your pedicure to the next level. And it's just something about red. Like, I just really wanted to do red toes. I think I did like a red color in my pedicure video too. I'm just loving red toes. Thumbs up this video if you want to see the perfect white toes video. And guys, when you're painting, just take the strokes and start from the top of the toenail and just drag it down in a nice swift pace. And it's going to give you that nice paint job. I'm cleaning it up, just taking some acetone and cleaning up all the splashes and making it look really, really clean. If you watch my pedicure video, my professional pedi video, then you already know what top coat I'm using. It is the Revlon top coat, guys. This top coat is amazing. First of all, the oily by itself looks amazing, but then when you add that top coat, extra shiny is what's going to give you that gel look. And like I said, just kind of swiftly putting that on. Ooh, girl, it's going to look like you just went to the salon. Like, I'm saving y'all money up in here. $25, $30, however much it costs. Y'all about to have beautiful, soft feet. And here I'm just cleaning it up with some acetone. Yep, I use some acetone and I'm just cleaning it up. Now here I'm taking some oil gel, it's like a body gel, and I'm just putting it around my cuticles because, you know, it's dry from the acetone and we want to make that look real good. Always make sure your cuticles are moisturized. It just gives you that perfect professional pedicure look. my toes dry. I'm fixing it a little bit because the big toe got messed up. So I'm just going over it to fix it. And that is the perfect gel pedi. Look at those feet. Look at those feet. I need to be a foot model. I gotta stop playing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.